Hello and welcome to our video on how to make money online. In this video, we will be discussing various ways to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're looking for a full-time income or just some extra cash, there are plenty of opportunities available to make money online. So, let's get started. Option 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelancing. Then, apply for jobs that match your skill set and start earning money. Another way to make money online is by creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, courses, and templates. This can be a great option for those with a specific skill or knowledge that others are willing to pay for. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online by promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale. Starting an online store is another way to make money online. This can be done by setting up an e-commerce store and selling products or services through your own website or through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. Option 5. Online surveys and paid online research. Lastly, you can make money online by participating in online surveys and paid online research. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion and insights, and there are several websites that connect you with companies looking for participants. That's it for our video on how to make money online. Remember, there are many ways to earn an income from the comfort of your own home. Thanks for watching.